Hi learners, welcome to my YouTube channel. Thanks for joining me for another math session. So this is the third part of the same chapter, that is a linear equation. So let's start. So first thing here, what are we going to do? We have already completed the exercise part. So this is the workout, and this workout is nothing but the practice for the previous exercises only, but lately the numbers have been changed. So here, what did they say? Choose the correct option. The equation for the statement. The statement has been given over here, and you have to just find out the equation. You don't have to solve it. So now, what does this say? 4 less than twice a number gives here 8. So twice a number means this is going to be 2x, and 4 less means 2x minus 4. So here actually the 2x minus 4 is 8. So this variable can be anything. It can be x, anything from a to z, and gives 8. So now let us see whether this, in this options, where does this satisfy. So now this cannot be 4 minus 2x cannot be. 2a minus 4 is 8. So what they have given in place of x, they have written a. So it doesn't matter. You use any variable. So here 2x or 2a minus 4, that is a. So this is the correct option. Now look at the second one. It says which of the following statements satisfies the equation 45 is 5 into x minus 3. This is actually multiplication sign over here, which we cannot see. So now 45 is equal to 5x minus 15. This is, you have to see, we have to expand this one. So let us see which equation. So 3 less than 5 times x gives 45. So 5 times x means 5x, and 3 less means minus 3 gives 45 means is equal to 45. So this is not possible because this should be 15. The product of 5 and the difference of x and 3 is 45. Product of 5 and the difference. Now difference of x and 3 will be x minus 3. Product means we are going to multiply this by 5. So 5 into x minus 3 is 45 means is equal to 45. So here the 45 is given at the start. So even as I told you in the previous one, LHS can be whether we can also write LHS first. LHS is here. LHS is equal to RHS or RHS is equal to LHS. Both can be the same. It doesn't change. Okay. So here either you write this over here or you write it over here. That doesn't matter. So is 45. So this should be the correct answer. Now the roots of the equation 4x plus 5 is 3x plus 2. So now look at here. So I have solved over here. So then there should not any confusion. So this complete this equation I have written over here. So now look at here. 4x plus 5, same as it is. 3x here expanded. 3x plus 6 because there is multiplication. So now we will bring x on this side. So this will be minus 3x. And this is as it is here. Plus 5 is going to be minus 5. So here 4x minus 3x means 4 minus 3 is 1. So this x is 1. So this is the correct option. Now Nina gave a shopkeeper rupees 200 to buy 3 notebooks. The shopkeeper gave her 3 notebooks and returned 20 rupees. So if the price of each notebook, each means one notebook, is x, then the correct equation for this situation is what? So now see here, one notebook is x. So 3 notebooks is going to be 3x. And the shopkeeper is giving, returning 20 rupees, right? So here 3x plus 20, that is, she's giving 200 rupees, right? So this should be the correct option. 3x plus 20 is 200. So the first option. Now the next problem says that the root of the equation a by 45 is equal to 7 by 15 is. A by 45 is 7 by 15. So what will we do? We'll use the cross multiplication method. So a by 15 means we'll write a 15a is equal to 7 into 45. So a is what? 7 into 45 as it is, and this is multiplication, so it goes over here. So this is 15. So 15 ones are 15 threes are 7 threes are 21. So 21 is the option. Now next one, solve for x. 2x by 7 minus 6 is equal to 4. So here now look at here. Same equation first I wrote here. 2x by 7 is equal to 4, and this minus 6 becomes plus 6. So 2x by 7 will be 10. And here 2x Now here it will be, this will go here. So that is going to be 7 into 10, that is going to be 70. So x is equal to 70 by 2, and that is going to be 35. So this 35 should be the correct option. Now they said here, write linear equation for the following statement. Suhan and Sahaj have 15 pens together. Both of them together, they have 15 pens. Sahaj alone has 9 pens. So what will we do? We'll use here two variables. Now Suhan have this one x pens and Sahaj have y pens. So what are we going to do? Together means x plus y. They have 15, right? So here 15. And then there's a Shahaz alone has 9 pens. So we have considered this as y, correct? So in place of this y, we'll write here 9. So x plus 9 is equal to 15. So only the equation they have asked, not to solve. So if they ask for the solving, means you will get the value of x. Next question says that Sujata is 7 years older than Sanjay. The sum of the ages is 31 years. So now look at here. We don't know Sanjay's age, right? So let Sanjay be y years old and Sujata be x years old, and here Sujata is y years old. Okay. So now what did I say? Sujata means this is y. Means is equal to older means 7 years older than Sanjay means Sanjay is x. So x plus 7. So this will be our equation number 1. And the second sentence is that the sum of the ages is 31. Sum means addition. So this x and y, we have to add it. X plus y, that is 31. So this will be my equation number 2. Okay. So now what are we going to do? We want the ages of this both of them, right? So what are we going to do? We are going to form an equation based on these two equations. So what will we do here? Y is given as x plus 7. So because here are two variables. So what are we going to do? We will substitute y is equal to 7 in equation number 2 in this one. Okay, so now look at here. This x will be as it is. In place of this y, that is what? X plus 7. And this is 31. We are considering this equation, right? So here this is x as same thing. In place of y, we consider this one, x plus 7. Because the value of y is x plus 7 and that is 31. So now what will you do? X plus x means this is going to be 2x. 2x plus 7 is 31. Now the next problem says that if a number is divided by 5 and then decreased by 7, we get 13. So we don't know the number, so let the number be x. Now divided by 5. 5 means x divided by 5. The number is divided by 5. And then decreased by 7. Decrease means you are going to subtract. So here minus 7 and that is we get 13. Now next says that 150 less than 8 times a number is 74. 8 times means this is going to be 8x. A number means let we consider the number as x. 8 times a number means that is going to be 8x. And 150 less means 8x minus 150 and is 74 means is equal to 74. So the next question says that solve the following equations. Now this is the equation given. X minus 12 is 4. So x will be what? 4 and this minus 12 will be plus 12. So this is going to be 16. Now in the next one it says that 42 plus x is 58. So here x will be what? 58 and this becomes minus 42. So that is going to be 16. And the next problem again here, x minus 6 is 1. So here x, this 1 will be as it is. Here it will go here, that will become plus. So x is 7. Now look at this problem. Here it says that 6 into x minus 1. This is actually multiplication over here. X minus 1 is 24. So we are going to expand this one. 6x minus 6 is 24. So now 6x will be 24 and minus 6 becomes plus 6. So 6x is 30. So x is going to be 30 and this is multiplication. This is going to get divided. So x is going to be 5. Now in the next problem, it says that 3x minus 9 minus 4 is 2. So 3x minus 9 minus 4 is 2. So we are going to put this together. Minus 9 minus 4. So what is that going to be? This is going to be 13. And this minus minus will be minus here. This is 2. So here 3x, this 3x. So 2 will be here. Minus 13 is going to be plus 13. And then 3x will be what? 15. And x is 15, this is multiplication, that is going to be divided by 3. So 3 ones are 3 fives are, so x is 5. Now find the value of x. So 2x minus 1 is x. Now 2x here, this minus here will be minus, and this minus 1 becomes plus. So here means when we are subtracting, this is actually 1 over here. So 2 minus 1 will be 1, isn't it? This is 1. So x is 1. Hope you got it. Now the next problem, 4x plus 19 is equal to x plus 22. So 4x same as here. This we bring here, it will going to be minus. This same over here. If you take this one, plus 19 is going to be minus 19. So here again, 4x minus x means here is 1. 4 minus 1 is 3, 3x. And when this one, this is going to be 3. So this is multiplication, this will be x. So it is going to get divided, this as it is, this is going to get divided, that is going to be 3. And this is going to be 1. So x is 1. Next problem says that 3 plus x is equal to 4x minus 3. So here this is x. This is going to be minus 4x, minus 3 as it is. And this is going to be minus 3. So here what is this? Here is 1. Okay. So what will I write here? Minus 4 and this will be 1 means this is plus 1. Why did I write that minus 4 over there? Because 4 is the larger number, isn't it? So it becomes easy later on. So I wrote here 4 minus 4 plus 1. So now look at here. Whenever 1 minus 1 plus means you have to subtract this number. 4 minus 1 is 3 and then put the bigger number sign. Bigger number means this is the larger or bigger, whatever you say. So here is minus. So you are going to write here minus. So it is going to be minus 3x. And minus 3 and minus 3. Minus 3 and minus 3. Both are minus. So you are going to add this one. So adding here is going to be 6. And which sign are you going to put? The same sign. That is minus sign. So minus 3x is minus 6. So you want here now, can you see this? You are going to take it on that side. So here you have to take along with the sign. The sign doesn't change here. Only you have to, instead of multiplication, you have to make it to divide. So minus 6 divided by minus 3. So minus minus gets cancelled. 3 ones are 3 twos are, that will be 2. Or you can also write here when it is x, this is minus 6. You can directly, because both side is negative, you can directly cut over here and then you write here x is equal to 6 by 3 and that is going to be 2. Anyways, you can write it. Hope that is clear. Now look at the next problem. Here it says 8x and here plus x becomes minus x. This is 15 and plus 1 will be minus 1. So here is 1. So this is going to be 8 minus 1 will be 7. Here is going to be 14. So x is going to be, here is multiplication. It is going to get divided. 7 ones are 7 twos are. So x is 2. Now here it says form algebraic equations for the following statements and solve them. Okay, we have to solve them, not only writing the previous one, we have just written the equations over there. So now the first one says that sum of two numbers is 200. So if one of them is 121 and find the other number. So we have considered the other number as x. Okay, and sum of the two numbers is 200. So, if one number is given is 121. So 121 is, this is the first number, second number. So 121 is one number and the other number we have considered this as x. So together sum is 200. So this is 200. So we'll find the value of x first. So x is what? 200 is as it is. This is as it is. And if this goes there, it is going to be minus 121. So x is going to be 79. So the other number is 79. Here it says that the perimeter of a triangle with two equal sides of length 13 centimeter each, means one side is 13 centimeter like this. There are two sides. So is 42. So find its length of the other side. So now length of other side, let it be x. Okay. So now this is a triangle. So they said two equal sides, right? So if this is 13, so this we can consider as 13 and so this also should be 13. And the third side, this is going to be x. Now they said perimeter. Perimeter means what? Sum of all sides. So we are going to add this, this and this. So perimeter of triangle will be what? 13 plus x and it's given is 42. So is equal to 42. So now this is 13 plus 13 is 26. X here, 42 here. So now what will be x is will be 42 and if this goes there, it is going to be minus 26. So x is 16 centimeter. So the length of other side is 16 centimeter. The next problem says that 10 less than 4 times a number is 26. Find the number. So here we'll say let the number be x. 4 times a number, that is going to be 4x. 10 less. In this 4x, we are going to subtract 10 less. And is 26 means is equal to 26. So 4x is going to be what? This 26 comes here. Minus 10 is going to be plus 10. So 4x will be what? 36. So x is going to be what? 36. This is multiplication. This is going to get divided. 4 ones are 4 nines are. Therefore, the number is 9. Now 6 added to 9 times the number is 96 and find the number. So let the number be x. 9 times a number that is 9x. Now what did they say? 6 added to 9 times a number. So 9x and 6 is added to that. And is 96 means 96. So 9x is 96 and plus 6 becomes minus 6. So 9x is what? 90. So x is going to be what? This 90 divided by 9, that is going to be 10. So x is 10. So therefore the number is 10. So thrice of a number increased by twice of 8 is 40. So I'll tell you what this 8 is. Okay. So find the number. So let the number be x. Thrice of it is going to be 3x. And twice of it means twice of it. Twice of it means 2 into x. Okay. It just means that is x. Okay. So that is going to be 2x. So now what did they say? Thrice of a number increased by twice of it is 40. So 3x, that is, you're going to add x to that, and that is 40. So 5x is going to be the 40. So x is going to be 40 divided by 5, and which is going to be 8. So therefore, the number is 8. Now, next problem says that 5 years ago, Rajesh was 16 years old. Find his present age. So let present age of Rajesh be x. So he is age 5 years ago. 5 years ago, that is going to be x minus 5. So now what did they say? Rajesh was 18 years old. 5 years ago, Rajesh was 18 years old. So this, whatever we considered 5 years ago, that is 18. So this is going to be, x is going to be 18 as it is. Minus 5 will go over here. That is going to be plus 5. So x is 23. So Rajesh present, we have considered this as x. So Rajesh present age is 23 years. Now they said that the next one, Ramesh and Suresh, are 20 years and 12 years. So Ramesh is 20 and Suresh is 12. Find how many years ago the age of Ramesh was twice that of Suresh. So now present age, we know that is given over here. That is the present age of Ramesh is 20 years, present age of Suresh is 12 years. So now what are we going to do? We are going to consider that x. So that is, they said ago. Ago means we are going to consider this as x, right? So this is 20 minus x. That is twice that of Suresh, means 2 times of Suresh, this is 12, the present age is 12, means that is going to be ago, means this is going to be minus x, 12 minus x. So when we solve this one, this will be as it is, and we are going to expand this one. So 2 12s are, that is going to be 24 minus 2x. So what is going to be here? Minus x as it is. Minus 2x is going to go here, that is going to be plus 2x. This 24 as it is, and this is going to be minus 20. So now can you see here plus 2, and this is 1 over here, that is minus 1. So whenever plus minus is there, means you are going to subtract this one. So this is going to be 1. So this will be plus 1. So here is going to be 1. So this comes out to be 4 years. So we can say 4 years ago, the age of Ramesh was twice that of Suresh. Okay. Now let us see the next problem. Says that sum of 4 consecutive numbers is 146 and find the numbers. So what are the 4 consecutive numbers that we have seen in the previous exercise as well? That they are given 3 consecutive numbers that we have taken x plus 1 and x plus 2 in the previous video. So now look at here, they are given 4 consecutive numbers. So we'll consider x plus 1, x plus 2 and x plus 3. Okay, these are the 4 numbers. So they said sum. Sum means you are going to add all these numbers. So, okay, so that is given as 146. Is 146 means is equal to 146. So how many x are here? 1, 2, 3, 4. So here we like 4x and this 3 and 3 becomes 6. So 146. So 4x is going to be this same plus 6 when it goes here, it is going to be minus 6. So 4x is going to be 140 when you subtract this. So x is going to be, here is multiplication, it is going to get divided. That is 140 by 4. So x is 35. So here what did they say? Find the number. So it's not done. These are the numbers given, right? So we got x as 35. So x plus 1 is going to be what? 35 plus 1, that is 36. Again 35 plus 2, that is 37. Here 35 plus 3, that is 38. So the numbers are 35, 35, 36, 37, and 38. So the next problem says that the length of a rope was reduced by 16 meter and it was then found to be 36 meter long. Find the original length of the rope. So we don't know what is the original length. Let us consider as x. Reduced by 16, they said, right? So this length was the original one was reduced by this 16. So that is going to be x minus 16. And it was found to be 35 meter long. So this one is found to be 35. So this is the equation. So now solving this, what do we get? X as it is, 35 as it is over here. Minus goes, 16 goes here, that becomes plus 16. So x is going to be, you add this one, so it will get 51. So that is what they have asked for the original length. So original is x. So this 51, so original length of rope was 51 meters. So by this we have completed this chapter. So please do like and subscribe to the channel so you get the notification of the other chapters and many more. Thank you.